Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. Today I'm going to show you how to delete your Trello workspace. For that, navigate to your Trello account or Trello app. Then at the left side, you will find Settings option. Go to Settings. Once you go to your settings, scroll down until you find this Delete this work until you find Delete this workspace option. Tap on Delete this workspace and you will be asked to enter the workspace name to delete. So what's your workspace name? To find out your workspace name, you can click on this account icon from here and you can see my account name is Loom010. So I will just put my name into this search bar here. Now tap on delete this workspace, but when you choose this option, they will ask you to enter the workspace name to delete. So tap the, what we will do is to just copy our workspace name from here and then again go to your delete option and just tap on the workspace name and then they will enable the delete workspace option from here. And you will have to know that this is permanent, and if you just delete this section from here it can be undone. So knowing all of this, just tap on delete workspace and the workspace has been deleted. You have no longer the access to the workspace that you have deleted. That's all for today. See you in the next tutorial.